All right, school is done for the day, which means it's time for mom to bake. This is the best part of the day. Okay, I'm trying this new cake. I am doing a hummingbird cake, which you guys have actually never had, but I've done my research. I know I've heard a lot about hummingbird cakes over the years, and it's always been on my list. Finally getting around to it. It's a lot like a spice cake, but we've got pineapple and banana that's going into it. And some people like to put nuts, but you know how I feel about nuts in my cake batter, so I'll save the nuts. We'll toast them, we'll candy them, we'll put them on the outside of the cake, maybe on the inside, but right now I'm just doing the cake layers, so I thought I'd take you along for the ride and show you everything I'm doing today. I'll give you the best close-up look that I can. My mixer, this kind of gets in the way of an overhead image, but you can see everything I'm gonna put in nonetheless. Right now it's gonna be 1 cup of oil. You can use really any kind. I mean, I wouldn't use a extra virgin olive oil, but canola. And then also we've got 1 cup of regular granulated sugar and 1 cup packed brown sugar. So just like my carrot cake. Oh, let's get that. There we go. Okay. And let's go ahead and mix those up first together on their own before we add anything else. So we will turn our mixer to like a medium high. So for me, that's about like a 4 to 6, right in between. Always make sure you're scraping down the sides of your bowl, the bottom, so everything mixes really, really well. So our oil, our sugars are in there. Now let's add our eggs. So we'll just do 1 at a time and mix well. Just get that blended in between each addition. Scrape down the sides if you need to. Okay, so then there's our crushed pineapple. That's like 8 ounces crushed pineapple. You can do the canned stuff. And then we've got 2 cups mashed bananas, flavor and it's moisture and it's just all the good stuff. So let's go ahead and put these in. Okay, pineapple's in. And then we've got our mashed banana. Just a low speed for these. We're doing all our liquids and then we're gonna add our dry ingredients. Pretty easy. This is Mexican vanilla, which has a stronger flavor. So I'll just do shy of 2 teaspoons. If you're doing like a regular vanilla extract, go 2 teaspoons. But Mexican vanilla extract, stronger flavor. And I have my 3 cups all-purpose flour and then all my spices in the recipe. So this is 2 teaspoons cinnamon, ½ teaspoon nutmeg, and then we have a 1/4 teaspoon ginger and a 1/4 teaspoon cloves. Also 1 tablespoon baking powder in here and 1 teaspoon salt. And we want to mix this all together so it's well blended and we're not having to over mix our cake batter to make sure all those things are mixed well. Now it's going to be low speed and we're going to add in our flour mixture. All right, cake batter is complete. That's pretty easy, huh? Just all the wet ingredients followed by the dry. Mix on low once those dry and wet get combined. Now I'm gonna bake them, I'm gonna start with about 30 minutes because it's similar to my carrot cake and I'm gonna bake it at about 350.